Africa is emerging as a vibrant technology investment location. The continent has self-accelerated blockchain as a transformative force for society and economy. Blockchain in Africa is unique as it is driving from the bottom up, where essential industries are propelling forward with blockchain technology. The African Blockchain Report published recently by VCCV in partnership with Standard Bank shows that the African blockchain ecosystem is thriving and the rate of crypto adoption is high. The report also highlights the urgent need for governments across Africa to embrace blockchain technology and to develop frameworks to regulate crypto and linked emerging industries. Frontrunner countries like South Africa and Mauritius have demonstrated how a progressive stance toward cryptocurrency can be beneficial. Other jurisdictions are gradually embracing cryptocurrency trade and investment laws. Yet in many other countries, central banks are directing commercial banks to avoid processing transactions involving trade in crypto assets. Let's take a look at how some of the most regulatory progressive African jurisdictions are setting a precedent for embracing new age technologies.
South Africa.
The rapid rise in crypto trade in South Africa and rising fraud cases where ransom is demanded in cryptocurrency appears to be motivating the country to regulate virtual assets. South African regulators have been working on creating a transparent regulatory environment that will further encourage its fast-paced blockchain and cryptocurrency adoption and minimize the abuse of cryptocurrencies for nefarious activities. South Africa is now integrating cryptocurrencies into its economy and society by building regulatory frameworks, developing CBDCs, and actively participating in the blockchain community. The country is home to numerous successful exchanges that enable South Africans to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, with easy access to trading, banks allowing a fiat on and off ramp, and clear tax rules and regulations. Besides, although South Africa has yet to roll out a fully fledged CBDC of its own, the country has successfully piloted 2 CBDC projects which are on the cards for South Africa in the future.
Mauritius.
Mauritius is renowned and respected as an international finance center and growing fintech hub. Mauritius has encouraged innovation by creating a regulatory sandbox and license. Published in 2017, it has also adopted comprehensive legislation on virtual assets and initial token offerings. As a result, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies have begun to foster themselves within the global financial hub of Mauritius. The Bank of Mauritius has also been in discussions with the International Monetary Fund regarding developing the Mauritius Central Bank's digital currency. The digital rupee would help to further enhance financial inclusion and digitization.
Nigeria.
Nigeria is home to the majority of the African continent's unicorns. Nigerians' openness to technology and the availability of mobile internet have made it one of the leading countries in the world when it comes to crypto adoption. In 2020, the Nigerian Securities and Exchange Commission has classified crypto assets as being securities unless the issuer of the crypto asset can prove otherwise to the SEC. Later, in early 2021, the Central Bank of Nigeria issued a letter instructing the nation's financial institutions to identify persons and/or entities transacting in or operating cryptocurrency exchanges within their systems and ensure that such accounts are closed immediately. Nigerian regulators' ban on cryptocurrency has done little to discourage people and institutions from the use and trade of cryptocurrencies. The central bank has changed its tune slightly later. In fact, the country became the first in Africa to launch its own central bank digital currency in October 2021. By population numbers, the eNaira is the largest CBDC globally, accommodating a population of over 200 million people.
Kenya.
The Central Bank of Kenya announced in 2015 that cryptocurrencies are unregulated and not considered legal tender. To date, not much has changed. The Kenyan government does not prohibit cryptocurrency usage but, like most nations in Africa, it by no means encourages it. Still, although regulatory efforts have been slow in the past, the usage of cryptocurrencies in Kenya is well established and growing consistently. According to Chain Analysis Global Crypto Adoption Index, Kenya tops the world rankings for P2P exchange volumes and finds itself 5th globally in terms of adoption. Besides, Central Bank of Kenya is actively working towards a possible launch of a CBDC, though it is unclear when the CBDC may become a reality.
Ghana.
The Bank of Ghana has closely monitored the public's adoption and integration of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies into local industries and systems. It has prohibited all licensed financial institutions from facilitating cryptocurrency transactions. The Ghana Securities and Exchange Commission also confirmed that cryptocurrencies are not recognized as a currency or legal tender, and hence they are illegal. Yet, Ghanaians have access to cryptocurrencies and can trade them on local and international exchanges. And companies within the region are revolutionizing industries with the implementation of blockchain technology. In 2020, Ghana was listed by the IMF as one of 40 countries globally that is legally allowed to issue a digital currency, considering its interest in pursuing a more digital economy. Ghana's CBDC has the perfect foundations to attempt integration and adoption. The eCedi is designed to facilitate payments without the need for a bank account or smartphone, and should allow many unbanked Ghanaians to participate in the financial sphere. The African cryptocurrency industry is still in its infancy, yet its potential is untapped and unfathomable. Although the number of countries where cryptocurrencies are deemed legal is few, Africans are openly embracing the mindset of understanding new age technologies, and several companies have established themselves and offer cryptocurrency solutions to their respective industries and the African population. It is therefore expectable that countries in Africa will be looking to their successful counterparts for inspiration and guidance on regulatory matters. And as South Africa continues to embrace and regulate cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, it will encourage and inspire its African counterparts to do the same.